to another class if you want to inherit the data, okay, or features, we can use inheritance. Okay, so we use extends keyword. The class from which members are inherited are called as superclass. The class to which members are inherited are called as subclass or derived class. So next, write types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Single inheritance. So single inheritance means one class we will be having one superclass and one subclass. Whenever we do inheritance in diagram, you should use up arrow, not down arrow. Up arrow. Class B extends class A. Okay. So one class to another class is called as single inheritance. Make a note of it. First one is single inheritance. We have one base class and one derived class in single inheritance. Done? The next topic, second one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So if you have more than one class, okay, if you have more than one class, more. So this is multi-level inheritance. Okay. At last, third one. Hierarchical inheritance. We have a class here. This is like in hierarchical. When we have more than, for one super class, if you have more than one subclass, more than one subclass, this is hierarchical inheritance. You understand this? So how? Say for example, share the screen. So here you can see paytm.com. So here developers develop their code in such a way that, see, when you mouse point this paytm for consumers, we have we have a class called as class paytm for consumers, correct? Inside that we have a subclass class payments extends paytm for consumer, class ticket booking extends paytm for consumer, class financial service extends paytm for consumer, correct? They would be written code like this only to developers. Then when you go to payments, you can see many. Okay. Class bill payments and recharge extends payments. Send money to anyone extends payments. Like this, they would have written it. Okay, a live example of. So when their developers are creating their, you know, you people, their backend code, they will create like this based on the module and the architecture. They would be creating the classes where they will reuse the code again and again. Understanding this? Okay. What are the advantages of inheritance? Advantages of inheritance. Reusability. Reusability. It leads to less development and maintenance cost. Using inheritance, we can achieve runtime polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. What is that going forward? You will see. Code design, code design, abstraction, tight coupling, tight coupling, tight coupling, polymorphism. You already wrote. Okay, so these are the advantages of inheritance. Okay, so acquiring the members from one class to another class is called as inheritance. Let me show you the examples now. So here, so from now onwards, I will start using Eclipse. Okay, before going to this, problem solving, let us use Eclipse. Okay, right heading Eclipse. So Guys, in Java, where you guys are writing the code, notepad, correct? You're writing the code in the notepad. You will write the code in the notepad. Where you will execute it, command prompt. Okay, or compile it. It would be in command. Execute also will be done in CMD. Correct. So this all integrated together. They gave one tool. They so before we have a grinder or mixie. How we used to prepare dosa?
Manually machine.
Huh?
Before the manually means grind.
Grind and okay,
You
prepare
want
the batter. Then then you will prepare dosa. Correct. So now we have machines only now. You know. Okay. Automatically it prepares batters. This much water we need to put. Okay. And dosa also it will prepare. Idli also will prepare. Okay. Uh, I was seeing some machines, in hotels and all. Yesterday night only they will put and set the time. The machine. They will put the rice. What is that? Dal and all these stuffs. Uh, After 6 hours, you need to put water. After 6, automatically it will grind. Okay, automatically from electric it will prepare idlis. Okay, so this is one way nowadays. Everything is integrated. I can say integrated. So similarly here also, we have something like integrated development environment. So you can write the code there itself. You can okay. Eclipse does interpretation, not compilation. Interpretation. You write one line there itself. It will. So words, they have changed it to some build name. Like the latest version of Eclipse would be help about Eclipse. I'll show you. This is Eclipse. Eclipse is just a editor. So using it, see, this is the version 2022 6 something. Previously, it was like Juno, like that. It was. Okay. Now, how to install it? Okay. First of all, you should have Java with you installed in your machine. Okay. Then, using Eclipse, you can develop what? Not only Java. You can have many other languages also. See, go to File, Project. You can create Java project. Okay. J2EE project. Okay, you can create application. You can develop web applications, web projects. Okay, all server related projects. So you can create. Okay, so that is basically Eclipse. So now let us see how to create Eclipse. Usually first Eclipse, there is Eclipse Foundation. You simply go here, type download Eclipse or Windows 11 or something which you want. Don't You can directly click here, download button, www.eclipse.org downloads. So you can see here. Okay, so click this, it will download one file. This is a free source, open source tool. It is downloading. Once it is done, so just double click on this. So it is trying to install. Wait, it is not it. It is just a installer, not installation file. Let it load. So here, guys, listen very carefully. Go with Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java. Okay. Second one, can I see that? Enterprise Java and web developers. Okay. This one, second option. You can develop C++ also. Okay, this is a tool where we can use to develop many things. Mostly used tool, you can say. Nowadays, other tools we have like other tools are like, do we have IntelliJ here? There is something, some other tool also, IntelliJ, using which also you can write Java code. This is IntelliJ. Okay. So user friendly is this only, Eclipse. So usually Eclipse what it will do whenever you try to work with Eclipse, it will first ask for workspace. First is workspace. So you need a workspace where it can, whatever code you write, it will go and store over there. Getting this? Whatever code you write, it will go and store over there. Say for example, so D drive, I'll create one folder where I want to put all my code. Tell the folder name, something good name. Tell something different, right? Chota Bhim. Okay. After class chutki. D drive Chota Bhim we have. Okay. So now I have Eclipse already installed here. What I will do, I will point this Eclipse to that workspace. So go to File, switch workspace. So here, other, browse it, select that file called as Chota Bhim here, select it, D drive Chota Bhim, select the folder, D drive Chota Bhim, launch it. So your Eclipse will launch freshly. So you'll get one metadata file here. As soon as Eclipse launches, you'll get a file called as metadata folder. You can see metadata. That is nothing but it is a occupancy of Eclipse. So Eclipse is launching. My version is 2022-6. 6 month June every time it will release. Okay.
It is option clear option
22 6. So let it launch. Once after launching, what we can do, see here, it launched. The welcome page it gave. Like when you go to resort and all, they'll give welcome drinks, no, like that. Come developers, come. Let me show you the game. Okay, just close this. Then go to file. First thing, once after the workspace. Second thing, you need to create a project. Which project? Java project. Okay. So usually this when you create a Java project from Eclipse, it will create again two types of folder. Okay. One is SRC and another is bin. Okay. SRC consists of .java file. Bin consists of .class file. You know both of the meaning. You will write the code here. After compilation, you will get the class file. Okay. And one more thing we will be having, that is JDK. The project consists of JDK. Why? Because using JDK only you can create the code. Correct? So now see here. Go to file, new, file, new project. Select it. Can I see Java project? Okay. If it is not there, go to project, Java project, or go to Java, here Java project. Next, give the project name. It should be meaningful. Okay. So AIT Java. Achievers IT Java I wrote. So see the version of the Java we have here. So always use default JRE compilers. Okay. So click next. Okay. So you can see SRC folder will occur. Finish. So you will get this pop-up. Now what you need to do, don't create. No. At last whatever you get, no. If you put create, you cannot write your code. Okay. Now you can see AIT Java here. Can you see JRE system library? This consists of all the Java codes you can see. JDK compiler we have here. Understanding this? Where it is present? So- Okay. So that is JRE. JRE is mandatory. If you delete this, your project doesn't understand Java. Okay. Now you can see only SRC folder, no? But you go here, AIT Java created. We have SRC and bin both, correct? So this is how we create a. Now inside SRC, okay, inside SRC, do you want to write this? Please write. Second thing is project. We create. Write it. Done. Cool. Next. Then you need to create a package. Third one, right? Third one, package. Okay. Package is basically a folder structure. Okay. So usually we give the domain name. Okay, domain name. What is the domain name? www.google.com, .in. These are called as domain name. So if you are creating a website, okay, so you should give a domain name. When you're creating, you people, you create projects, no, web application. For that web application, say for example, there are several modules: compose module, inbox module, sent items module. So how to create a package name? Why we need to create that kind of package name? Because globally, where some people will access, no, cloud, that time domain matters. Okay, that package structure matters. That package structure will reflect in the URL. Okay, so now when you write a package, so I want to write a code for compose mail. Assume now these are developers. Right click, new package. Now how to write package name? Domain name. So in the reverse order you need to write com dot gmail dot www dot inbox. Now all inbox related code you need to write here. Got it? So now again, in the real time I'm talking about, create a package com dot gmail dot www dot sent items. Okay. So see, directly also you can write, no, not a problem. Okay. So, but the thing is, when you write in a domain structure, when you are doing compilation and all, build you will do, right? Have you heard of build? Build is a piece of software which consists of a certain set of features and bug fixes, we'll say, testimonials. So the build engineers, when they compile their code, they will be having a folder structure. Okay, e folder, in the e folder domain structure and folder structure should be same. Then only public users can use your inbox or sent items. Okay, it is not that you will be local al baritirala. Okay, in local you will develop, no, login.html. You cannot write like that simply. Why? Because it will impact in the cloud. Cloud needs a proper domain structure. So when it is reflecting in the cloud, so the package name also should be in proper order. Otherwise it won't reflect only. Path issue you will get. Okay. So now for test engineers, not true. Don't worry. So now inside this package, so right, second step is package. Okay, how to create package? Right click on SRC, right click on SRC package. Just right click on SRC, sorry, new and package. New and then package. Done. So once package is created, inside package you create a classes. See, right click on the package now. new class. Now, do you want public static void main in your class? Class name run one. I'll write finish. See created visible. What is the first line? What is the package name? In sent items only I created this run one, no? Say package com.gmail.ww.sent items. Correct? Package name. Yes or no? Okay. Class name is run one. Now I want to print something. Eclipse is so sweet. Okay, your mobile, when you are typing H, okay, something. I want to, shortcuts we have. Yes or no? Okay, I don't know nowadays mobile how see some all the mobiles have different features. iPhone, say yesterday you were using iPhone users, Android users, okay, OnePlus users. The phones are changing nowadays. Okay, so here in Eclipse we have a shortcut control key space. So now I want to print system.out.println. I won't try to see few people what how they will type S capital letter Y S T E M like this. I won't type at all. S Y S so control space. Understanding this control space like that. You know, hi. Inside this if condition, if I want if sorry, you just write if automatically write the condition. Understanding this control space will give the so now so Eclipse does interpretation. See, remove the semicolon, then and there itself it throw an error. But in command prompt in notepad, you write full code, compile it, line number you see, find out the line number, put semicolon, again compile, do it. It is time consuming, right? So Eclipse does interpretation. Make a note. Eclipse does interpretation. Done, guys. Done. So this you install and come for tomorrow. Okay, we will see further programs. From now onwards, it would be easy writing. Okay, guys, thank you. You join the API classes now. Okay, API classes will start. Okay, only the first class has been started. You can join here. Okay, thank you, guys.